Romana Water Industries is the UAE's leading group, specialising in purification, filtration, bottling, distribution and supply of high-quality pure drinking water all over the UAE. Since its inception 15 years ago, Romana has garnered the expertise, modern technology and processes to supply high-quality drinking water to its customers. With 3 state-of-the-art plants in Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Ajman, Romana has achieved the capacity to produce over 600,000 bottles of drinking water per day in various packages to suit the different needs of its customers. Romana manufactures and distributes potable water in a variety of packaging. The only water company is Romana in UAE to have more than 12 different packages. Headquartered at Dubai, Romana has distribution centres in all the 7 Emirates, as well as in Al Ain. Its own fleet of vehicles makes prompt deliveries to all corners of the nation, ensuring complete customer satisfaction. The distinguishing hallmark of Romana is the pristine quality of its drinking water. This has established Romana as a preferred and popular brand in the country. With teams of well-trained staff, advanced production and analytical technologies, Romana is committed to supplying safe, healthy and premium quality product. Romana's pure drinking water process has been certified by leading global certification bodies for quality standards. The company's commitment to quality assurance is reflected in its production methods. For instance, Romana has instituted a stringent purification process that encompasses several diligent steps. 1. Receipt of raw water from reliable source. Raw water is received from the approved source in a protected closed system. This water is frequently tested for physical, chemical, bacteriological parameters as per GCC standards in its in-house lab, equipped with the latest testing equipment. 2. Bag filtration 5 micron. This is a process that removes any extraneous matter and contamination in raw water through FDA-compliant filter bags in SS316L grade steel filter housing made in the UK. 3. Storage of raw water. Here, raw water is stored in GRP hot-pressed insulated storage tanks, which are sealed, leak-free and approved for storage of drinking water. 4. Multimedia filtration. In this step, the water is put through multimedia water filter system, which represents a significant improvement over single media filters. It permits delivery of high-quality filtered water at much faster rates as compared to a conventional sand filter. The filtration vessel is made of SS316L grade steel. 5. Activated carbon filtration. Then the water is put through the activated carbon filter, which removes chlorine, THMs, odour in the water, etc. The filtration vessel is made of SS316L steel. 6. Microfiltration. After activated carbon filtration, it will pass through 5 micron filters and then it passes on to the next step. 7. Reverse osmosis or demineralization process. This process purifies water by removing salts, contaminants and other impurities. It's also capable of rejecting bacteria. The membranes used in reverse osmosis plant are from Filmtech USA, which is FDA, US Food and Drug Administration approved. The entire RO plant is made of stainless steel 316L. The custom-made RO plant is specially designed and executed exclusively for Romana, which is one of its kind in UAE. 8. RO Permeate Storage Tank. RO Permeate is stored in intermediate storage tank, which is made of stainless steel 316L grade steel, specially used in the food and pharma industry. 9. Remineralization. Let's talk about Romana's initiative for good health and premium quality drinking water. Here, RO Permeate water is remineralized with a complete balanced supply of selective water-soluble food-grade minerals, especially the world's #1 brand Smirk, which is directly imported from Germany, which is US FDA, US EPA, GCC, WHO approved. One of the minerals dosed is magnesium, which is a natural tranquilizer and muscle relaxant. Called the anti-stress mineral, it aids in relaxing nerves, relieving tension, and assisting digestion. Magnesium is also involved in the formation of proteins and DNA. It's important for the production and transfer of energy, muscle contraction and relaxation, and nerve conduction. It also aids regularity, is necessary to keep vertebrae in their proper position, induces restful sleep, lowers fever, and purifies and purges body tissues, combating acids, toxins, gases, impurities, and neutralizing poisons. Magnesium, the most important mineral needed by the body, is stored in the bowel, nerves, and ligaments. To function correctly and efficiently, your body needs many nutrients, but if it's deficient in magnesium, over 300 biochemical reactions would occur very inefficiently or would not occur at all. Another mineral that Romana doses is calcium, which is needed in every organ of the body, including the brain. Calcium is called the knitter because it promotes healing or knitting everywhere in the body. It's valuable for tone, power, strength, longevity, vitality, endurance, healing of wounds, neutralizing of acids, and assisting in regulating metabolism. Because it's used in almost every function, calcium is commonly deficient in our diets. It's one of the first elements to go out of balance when the diet is inadequate. Calcium is stored in the blood and teeth, as well as in the nerves, muscles, and tissues. Calcium raises the body's resistance to viruses, parasites, and bacteria. Lack of calcium leads to a host of diseases and degenerative conditions. Calcium is one of the most essential of the major elements needed in human nutrition. 10. Absolute filtration 1 micron. In this stage, the water is processed through absolute filtration 1 micron, which removes any traces of contaminants during dosing of minerals. The pore size of absolute filtration is 1 micron. Filtration process is monitored and tested regularly. 11. Mineralized water storage tank. In this stage, mineralized water is stored in stainless steel 316L grade storage tank. Water's monitored with ultrasonic sensors and tested daily. 12. Final micron filter 0.2 micron. Here the water passes through stainless steel German-made Sartorius filter cartridges, which consists of 24 cartridges of 0.2 micron filter for a high performance. It has single-layered pleated cellulose acetate membrane that's been specially developed for pharma industry. These cartridges guarantee the highest biological product safety in combination with enhanced total throughout performance, which Romana always guarantees to its customers. These cartridges are steam sterilized every day before starting production to ensure highest quality and safety. 13. Ultraviolet sterilization, UV. In this step, the water is subjected to ultraviolet sterilization, which is a fast and unique way to virtually eliminate microbiological contaminants, including bacteria and viruses, without using heat or chemicals. Produced by Hanovia from UK, in this technology, water enters ultraviolet generator cell and swirls around a low-pressure mercury vapor lamp, which emits powerful ultraviolet energy at 254 nm wavelength. Bacteria, viruses, and other microbiological organisms absorb the light energy, which disrupts their DNA, causing their destruction. 14. Ozone disinfection. In this step, the water is given ozone disinfection treatment, which oxidizes organic matter and inorganic compounds, destroys viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. Ozone acts by breaking down pathogenic cell tissue and is a much more effective method than chlorine. Indeed, with only 0.4 ppm during 4 minutes, ozone can eliminate bacteria, viruses, molds, and fungi. Ozone is a very unstable compound with a very short lifespan. Once it's done its job as disinfectant, it breaks down into oxygen. Romana's ozone plant is imported from Canada, and the brand name is Ozotec. Similarly, for its 5-gallon returnable bottles, Romana has instituted a thorough bottling and control process, which is as follows. 1. First pre-inspection. Every empty 5-gallon bottle returning from the market is subjected to thorough inspection. The pre-inspection team separates bottles with foreign particles and sniffs the bottles for bad odour. Dirty, abused or cracked bottles that cannot be cleaned are scrapped. 2. Decapping machine. Bottles are then decapped automatically by a pneumatic decapper. 3. Second pre-inspection. Here, every bottle is subjected to thorough checks again after decapping by highly trained staff, who are rotated every 15 to 20 minutes to ensure they're alert and have proper concentration during inspection. 4. High-pressure hot water detergent washer. In this step, if there is any contaminated bottle, they're rinsed internally and externally with high-pressure detergent jets at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius temperature. 5. External washer. Here, empty bottles are washed in an automatic washer using high-pressure detergent jets. Automatic controlled detergent dosing is done and monitored every hour. 6. World-class 26 stations 5-gallon bottle washer, which is specially custom designed and engineered for Romana. Romana is the first company which has imported the 26-stage washer for the first time in UAE. Here, after external washer, the bottles enter a world-class 26 stations bottle washer, where it's washed, rinsed and sanitized. This 26 stations bottle washer comprises of 1. Pre-wash. Bottles are cleaned externally and internally with high-pressure water jets. It's about 4 times. 2. Hot detergent wash. Here, bottles are cleaned externally and internally with high-pressure hot detergent jets. This station is maintained at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius temperature by continuous supply of hot steam. It's about 6 times. 3. Water rinse. Bottles are rinsed externally and internally with high-pressure water jets to prevent carryover of detergent. It's about 5 times. 4. Sanitizer wash. Bottles are cleaned and sanitized externally and internally with high-pressure sanitizer jets. It's about 5 times. 5. First ozonized water rinse. Here, bottles are rinsed externally and internally with high-pressure ozonized water jets to prevent carryover of sanitizer and sanitize the bottle. It's about 2 times. 6. Final ozonized water wash. Bottles are finally washed and rinsed externally and internally with fresh ozonized water. Each bottle has undergone 26-stage washing, which keeps the bottles in 100% sterile condition prior to filling. It's about 4 times. Now each bottle is sterilized 26 times, assuring 100% purity. 7. Filling and capping. In the 7th step, after the final rinse, the bottles immediately go for filling and capping in a pressurized filling chamber created by sterile air from European HEPA filters, which protects it from any contamination. It will go through the automated capping machine, which ensures sealed and secured pure drinking water. Filling nozzles are specially designed to fill the bottles without touching the bottles, thereby preventing any contamination. 8. Date coding. Here, capped bottles are coded with production, expiry date and time with indelible ink, using inkjet printer for proper identification and traceability. 9. Sleeve application. In this step, tamper evidence sleeve is applied on the caps for more security and preventing tampering with the water. 10. Final inspection. Finally, the product bottles undergo final inspection by a trained staff and are then loaded in racks before going to the stores. Let's have a look at our PET line production. 5-gallon reusable, 3-gallon, 2-gallon, 5-litre, 1.5 litre, 500 ml. Romana has come out with an innovative range of products designed to fulfill customers' diverse drinking water requirements. For example, Romana's 2, 3 and 5 gallons polyethylene terephthalate PET disposable bottles are the only one of their kind in the UAE today. And to achieve this high-quality standard, we use purified air to blow the preforms using Gardner compression, which is from the UK with a unique feature of being 100% oil-free. Once the preforms are blown to desired size, it goes through an enclosed conveyor for washing, filling and capping. The revolutionary new 5-gallon PET is non-reusable, which means all such bottles have not been touched nor used and are filled straight post-production. Romana's 3-gallon PET bottle is an economical alternative, whereas 2-gallon variety is perfect for personal consumption. But whatever the size, with its stringent quality norms and processes, every Romana bottle guarantees drinking water of exceptional purity, safe, healthy and of highest quality. Romana's pure drinking water also has a family of cups ranging from 100 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml and 250 ml. These conveniently sealed cups are perfect for gatherings and occasions. Catering to a wide variety of preference, the Romana Cup family contains the company's same pure drinking water, but at a very cost-effective price. To ensure the highest quality, Romana has instituted other steps that are part of its purification and analytical processes. Plant Quality Control and HACCP ISO 22000-2005 Food Safety Management System. Romana plants have experienced staff like chemist, microbiologist, biotechnologist, food technology and quality assurance experts, and in-house laboratory to monitor and maintain the plant quality control processes and test the products hourly, daily, weekly and monthly basis. The knowledge and experience of these experts are the best in the industry. Romana's laboratory is equipped with the latest testing instruments for testing physical, chemical and microbiological parameters of water. A person in charge, PIC, who's passed PIC Level 3 exam, which is mandatory as per Dubai Food Control Authorities for food industry, is always present in the plants. Romana products are regularly tested by Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Ajman Food Control Laboratories. Additionally, the company gets its water tested regularly from private external laboratories. Raw materials and packaging control. Raw materials like minerals, bottles, caps, labels, etc. are carefully controlled and monitored by lot. Materials not meeting internal specifications are rejected. Cleaning in place, CIP, sanitation process. The filling machine's products such as supply tank, product flow path, filling nozzles and interconnecting piping, and 5-gallon bottle washer are sanitized every day by advanced methods called CIP. This automated sanitation process recirculates sanitizer at precise temperature and time for maximum sanitation. Romana has set a new benchmark for quality of drinking water. To reinstate the care taken by Romana to provide purest drinking premium quality water throughout their world-class plant, we would like to bring to your notice the unique features such as 1. Its 0.2 micron filter is from Sartorius, Germany, which is used in pharmaceutical industry. 2. Online sanitizer and monitoring system. 3. 26 stages bottle rinsing, cleaning and sanitizing machine, which is one of its own kinds in the UAE. 4. LPG gas-based boiler for producing steam needed for hot detergent rinsing of empty bottles, which prevents scale formation in hot chamber, a phenomenon that's very common if heating elements are used. 5. A volumetric filler. Filling nozzles do not touch bottle mouth, preventing contamination of bottles. 6. Unique capper. Cap rinsing with ozonized water and ultraviolet sterilizer for caps. 7. Steam sterilization for activated carbon filter and 0.2 micron filter. 8. Complete water treatment line, including multimedia filter vessel, activated carbon filter and RO vessels made up of stainless steel 316L grade. 9. HACCP and ISO 22000-2005 Food Safety Management System for plants. 10. An advanced in-house laboratory equipped with latest testing equipment. 11. Teams of experienced staff comprising microbiologists, chemists, biotechnologists and technicians. 12. With more than 300 distribution trucks and more than 1,000 staff, ensuring smooth delivery of Romana water across UAE. In totality, Romana is committed to establish as a conglomerate to set a benchmark for world-class processing and packaging industry in the world. Romana pure drinking water is safe, healthy and of the highest quality. Romana is the proud winner of the prestigious Dubai SME 100 Award, the premier ranking of Dubai's 100 top-performing SMEs. Romana, taste the difference. Romana, know the difference. Romana, feel the difference. Romana, ensuring good health of the people in the UAE. Romana, drops of life forever.